What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be doing another art therapy Zentangle session, looking at some new of my videos that I'm going to be uploading, that are being uploaded onto my YouTube channel, and also we're going to be going through a motivation of the week for you as well. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone? Hope we have had a good week and good weekend. It's probably a heavy one for a lot of people as we had the finals for our Euros, for the Euro football. England versus Italy. It was an amazing game. Absolutely. I'm going to go into more of the details of the game. Commiserations to the England team. Unfortunately, it didn't come through. Congratulations to for the Italian team. You guys pulled it through and came through. Well done to you guys. I'm going to be going through a little bit more of the England team at the end of this show for our motivation for the week. I've also been uploading new videos for my YouTube channel too. I'm going back into the ASMR side to it again, but this time I'm not doing any drawings. I did that previously. There are links to the ASMR videos, but what I'm concentrating more on now is creating more of a looped video. This is going to be a continuous video of any type of sound with a video in the background. This is purely just for you to have on in the background. So if you are studying, drawing, anything for concentration, or even if you wanted to fall asleep as well, they're very good for falling asleep. There'll be various videos of different various sounds and effects. The latest one I put up is ambient sounds. It's a recording of rain and a video of rain falling as well. So if you're into the rain sounds and want to have I want to relax and chill out and need something to fall asleep to, plug that video on. The link is in the description below. Play that video, have a little look at it, and it will soon drift you off to sleep. There's going to be more of those videos coming up. I'm going to do a lot more of those type of videos, so keep your eye out. There is a playlist for those in the description below. I've also been uploading more designs and patterns onto my Redbubble store. If you're into any of those, any sort of quotes or anything like that, check out the store. There's plenty of gifts ideas on there for people's birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, anything like that that's coming up. There's plenty of designs on there to choose from. Check it out. Link is in the description below. Loads of stuff coming on there, especially if you're a team fan for the Olympics or anything like that. You know, there's plenty of designs on there. Also, as well, I've uploaded some new books onto my store as well. So if you're into your podcasts and you like creating podcasts and you need a schedule and need a journal or a planner or notebook, this is the book here. You can pick this book up from my Amazon store, the podcast planner. Absolutely brilliant. Log down any of the people that you are interviewing, ideas, anything like that, equipment that you may have used. There is a weekly planner, weekly journal for you to jot down any ideas, any of the things that you've got coming up into this book. Brilliant one to help you with podcasts. There's also a variation of different other types of books on there as well, from colouring books, sketchings, and anything like that as well. All in the list in the description below. So yes, we're going on to another art therapy session today. We are going to be drawing these three Zentangle patterns. Very nice, calming, drawing repeated patterns for you to be drawing. Anyone can do this. This is why I do these drawings, because I want to influence and let people know that anyone can draw any of these patterns. You don't need to be a brilliant artist. You don't need to be going to college and drawing and know how to draw anything like that. As long as you can draw a square, circle, line, triangle, square, a line, a dot, anything like that. If you can do anything like that, then you are able to draw any of these drawings. Great to do. So what were you waiting for? Light up an incense stick, get some relaxing music playing, turn the lights off, have a nice lamp in the background or anything, or dim the lights, get nice and cozy, and let's start to do this art therapy session. Let's roll the video. how was that for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a like. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. So yes, going back to the England team, Mr. Gareth Southgate, you did an amazing job of bringing the boys to the finals. Absolutely brilliant. You know, even though we did lose, you know, we got to think about the fact that, you know, you pushed them, pulled them through, got them absolutely to the finals, and you guys done absolutely amazing. You've done an absolutely brilliant job getting to the finals. We haven't gotten to the finals in like 55 years. So it was absolutely brilliant to see. It brought the whole nation together, which is what we wanted. We've gone through some troubled times over the last couple of years, what with the virus and going into lockdown and, being quarantined in your house and all that. So it was great for the whole nation to pull through, get together. I mean, it was unbelievable from where I was working over the weekend, you know, seeing everyone getting all the England flags and all the T-shirts, and even people that, I mean, I'm not a big footballer. I mean, I don't have a specific team or anything, but when it comes down to World Cup games and, you know, Euro games and things like this, I like to get involved with it. I mean, so does the whole nation. There was people out there going crazy for it. So it was an absolutely brilliant thing. And the fact that we all came through to the finals as well, which was even better as well. So top marks, hats off for you guys for actually getting to the finals and, you know what, pulling us through to it as well. It brought us all together and, you know what, hats off, absolutely brilliant. You guys deserve a round of applause for that. It was absolutely amazing. So they've done absolutely brilliant as a team, you know, individually and as a team. They're absolutely amazing. So let's not forget about that. So let's still cheer and be proud of the England team. You know, let's stand proud with them, give them the respect that they deserve, pulling through, getting through to the finals, getting through to the finals. So let's stand and hold our heads up high for them. They did it once, you know, and they will do it again. You know, we've got to look to the future on this, look to winning in the future. We're going to do it. We've got this far, you know, and in the next games that we have coming up for the World Cup, they'll get through again and we will win it. You know, we've got to have the faith, for this team. It's a brilliant team and they're going to do it and we will do it again. You know, we are a nation that have gotten through together from all walks of life, nations, from nationalities to, you know, from different religions. We all stand together. We've gone through thick and thin together. We will stand together and we will come through and we'll come through fighting. We will. So let's pass on, move on from this and look to the future for winning and to praise and have respect for a team that got us to the finals with passion and determination and to show our appreciation to an amazing team, an amazing coach. Well done to the England team. Getting to the finals. It was absolutely brilliant. You showed true determination. Let's not forget Italy, the winning team. You guys done well as well. Absolutely brilliant for winning the Euros. Can't forget that. Let's hold our heads up high and show the respect that those boys truly deserve. Well done. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches. Signing off. Peace out.